the like teriyaki looks a little bit like the color of your sauce. So yeah.
I don't think I did it right, but it looks like good. So now let's get started with putting in the pasta.
Okay, so my mom should put rice vinegar, regular tablespoon like a cup. So, I don't know. Actually matters on how much rice you put in. That's steam dough. Ooh, it smells like vinegar. I think that's enough. Let's get started. Okay, so I have TV. One side should be shiny. The other side should be like less shiny and stuff. This side is really shiny. So you want to like do your musubi this way. The left side on top, but the bottom side is the shiny part, so put the shiny part down. And then that's how you're going to make your musubi. Okay, so I need to cut this a little bit, so let's get started. Okay, sorry for the background noise. My grandma fighting. Whatever. Excuse my weird face. Okay. Okay, so first you're gonna get your rice, and you're gonna put it onto your seaweed. And you don't want it to be like, you want it to be like a rectangle. You want yours to be kind of like a rectangle. Okay. Adding a little bit more. Okay. So I'm done. Now what you're gonna do is you're going to add your musubi. Woo! And stop my fork. Okay. It is on. You could add some of your sauce. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to roll this. I'm horrible rolling, but anyway, let's just do this. Oh, I don't know. I think I was supposed to leave a little bit of space. I think I did it! Oh my gosh! After that, you might have a little bit of excess, so chop that off. And I actually did this. Oh my god! I think this is pretty good. Let me do the rest, and then let's try the taste test. Okay, this is the finished product. Now I'm gonna try it. Okay, I'm gonna try this small one. That was really good. It tastes exactly like my mom. And I really like it. Oh my god! I rate this a 10 out of 10. Anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. Bye! Don't forget to comment, subscribe.